Okay, so today's topic will be on salt. So we have to do introductions on salt first. So let's go to the school and start. Right?
Yes. Yes. I'm already. That's arriving. You're not coming.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oops, I just
You guys. You didn't follow. You didn't go to class.
Alright, so today we're going to study about salt, right? So the teacher's going to start teaching now, so let's listen about salt, shall we?
It's an ionic compound made up of one or more positively charged cations and negatively charged anions.
Did you get that?
Yes. Yes.
So salt is made up of positive cations and negative anions. Alright, so this is the main important point. That's salt. So shall we write the point? Okay, next. Let's continue, shall we? Are we still watching the video? Okay, so we are here about salts. Salts are made up of positive cations and negative anions, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's move on.
Ionic compound is electrically neutral. Watch this video if you'd like a refresher on this concept. The cation tends to be a metal, and in many common examples is one from group 1 or 2 of the periodic table. The anion is commonly a halide from group 7 or a member of group 6. Salts made like this are called inorganic salts, but this is not always the case. The ions can be polyatomic, that is, made up of more than one atom. A common example of this would be ammonium salts. You might wonder if all salts are small transparent crystals, just like table salt. Certainly not. Salts come in many different colours. Sodium chromate is yellow, potassium permanganate is purple, and iron disulfide is shiny and metallic. In fact, it's a mineral commonly called fool's gold. Another common mistake is to think that all salts taste, well, salty. Again, this is wrong. Some taste bitter, and some even taste sweet, like lead diacetate. Unfortunately, it's also poisonous.
No.
Okay, I saw in the video, it said that certain salt are sweet, but those salt are poisonous. Of course, not the sweet that you're having it now, right?
Yeah.
What was the salt that was sweet? Lead diacetate. So remember, salts can be sweet, bitter, or salty. That means not all salts are salty, right?
Yes.
Oh, this video is very interesting. Okay, let's continue looking at salt in our daily life. Okay, diazonium salt. Alright, so let's see what is it used for.
Which are all brightly coloured. Can you think what they might be used for? Pause and have a think, then resume. Enjoy. Brightly coloured. Can you think what they might be used for? Pause and have a think, then resume. The answer is they're used for dye pigments to colour our clothes. If you ever get the chance to enjoy some fireworks, the bright colours you can see are produced by burning the salts of various metals. You might recall learning that an acid plus a base gives you a salt and water, and that's quite right for an inorganic salt.
Number 1,
Here's the classic.
acid and base gives you salt and water. That means When you have acid and base, you get salt and water. Okay. Number 2, the other way to prepare is metal and acid. When you have metal and acid, you can get salt as well. So you must remember this. Okay, metal and acid gives you salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, now I want to look at the characteristic of salt. Okay, let me before the quiz, students, I'll just show you the characteristic of salt so you can have a look. You can open your textbook and see. Okay, this is going to be in your quiz. The characteristic of salt. Okay, has flat surface. Okay, number 1 is it has flat surface. Okay, number 2, fixed angle. Okay, flat surface, fixed angle. Okay, are you all listening to the characteristic? So flat surface. Okay, these are all the characteristic of salt. Flat surface, straight sides, fixed angle, specific geometrical shapes. Different crystal have different geometrical shape. Some crystal have of different sizes still have the same geometrical shape. Okay, just now we already see on salt in their daily life, right? So this is the use of salt in their daily life. Okay, let's have the pop quiz. There's 2 questions I've prepared here. Physical properties of salt. So you have 5 minutes. Oh gosh, now let's check the answer. Congratulations, you got A plus, Angel. This is the answer.
Teresa, you actually got an F.
What? What again?
F.
I can't believe it. I answered everything correctly.
But I said no, but you didn't.
I gave the correct definition, right, teacher? Did I give this answer? Salt is an ionic compound.
No, you didn't give that. Angel gave that.
You mean this is not my answer?
No, Angel answered.
Can't believe it. Oh no, this is the answer, right? This is the correct answer, the physical properties.
Yes, that's the correct answer. I just shared on the screen.
This is all the correct answer?
Yeah, you never write any of those.
Oh my goodness, how am I going to tell my mom?
Since you and Angel are sisters, what could we do?
Can we do a retest next week?
Okay, we can do a retest only if you study at home and don't just play. When you finish study, you can play. Even teacher.
Yes.
I've been studying all weekend to get A's on this test, and my sister Teresa have been playing games with Mom. Come on! Get in back with your sister. Alright. really bad injury. We can get hurt by doing that. You know? We can get hurt by doing that.
Yeah, we need to put
We have to
plaster on your broken arm.
Yeah.
It is made from calcium sulfate,
Perfect.
which is plaster of Paris, to support your broken arm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, teacher told me today, right?
Yes. Teacher
We
literally.
need plaster of Paris.
Yeah. We need plaster. And this.
Okay, then you'll be okay. Let's go to the supermarket then. If you're done already, let's go buy something.
This is really bad injuries. And most. Okay.
Okay, let's get some food.
Okay, let's get some food. Let's get some food, huh?
Yep.
We have a broken car. We have a broken car.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I'm stuck.
What did you get?
Hot dogs and steak.
What? Oh my god. I remember teacher saying hot dog has preservative and some salt in it. Do you remember? Sodium benzoate is used to preserve chili sauce. Oh my god, you got chili sauce?
I don't like chili sauce.
Do you remember?
What?
Sodium benzoate, they have it inside hot dog or chili sauce. In chili sauce.
Hot dog?
And hot dog, they have sodium nitrate, which is not good for health. Do you know that?
No, I didn't know that at all.
No. Put that back. We just get some fruits.
Okay.
There are a lot of unhealthy things around here. I found some salt, right? Do you see some salt there?
Yes, I do.
Where? Those teachers said something about salt earlier.
Yes, I did. See salt somewhere. I can see salt. That's all I saw.
There's salt also around here somewhere.
Yeah. And I got the apple. Let's go.
You just get an apple lah. Alright? Because so much salt is not good for us, correct or not?
Yeah.
So we have sodium chloride used for flavoring and sodium bicarbonate in dough. Okay lah, I just have some apple since I have a broken arm.
But your right arm, your right arm is broken. And how are you supposed to eat?
Give me some apple then.
Okay. Is it running?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Bye. Bye. Let's end the lesson.
Bye.